What was your pathway to citizenship?
My husband is an American.
Ay, ganun ba? Oh, I
Citizen
didn't know
siya.
that.
American citizen siya. He's a
Filipino-American ba siya?
Filipino-American.
How's life here so far?
Very, very independent dito. Ang nakakapanibago is like, hindi ako marunong magluto, so kailangan matuto ka. Although, buti lang.
Natuto ka ba?
Hindi. Asawa ko magaling magluto.
Were you prepared for this or was there sacrifice on your part?
Your family or money. To me, it's family. I mean, I was able to had a good run in the Philippines. Umalis ako ng Pilipinas, kilala pa ako. Kaya nung umalis ako, nakakatuwa na parang nasa na siya.
Hello everyone and welcome again to Usapang Real with Luchi. Nasaan ba ako? Ako ay nasa Los Angeles Medical Center, LAMC. Alam niyo kung bakit? Aba, film set ito ngayon sa isang series on Filipino nurses at isa sa mga cast dito ay si Ruby Rodriguez. Siya ang kakausapin natin ngayon. Dito na siya ngayon naka-base.
Yeah, this is clean.
Hey, Ruby, thank you so much for being here with us.
Of course,
Taking
thank
time
you,
out from
thank you.
such a busy schedule, grabe. Pero nakakatuwa kasi nakapag-shoot pa kami ng actual
Behind the
filming. Yeah. Teka, so, okay.
I know.
How long have you been here, Ruby?
I left 2021.
Why?
Well, it's for my son. Kasi nga, he's being treated here for a rare autoimmune. And then, let's face it, mas maganda ang special education dito. Because my son is also in special ed. He has intellectual disability. So dito, yung school nila talagang tututukan nila.
Sure.
I mean, and they have a special school. And they're all special ed students.
Yeah. How long was he in the Philippines before you moved here?
Since he was born. And then we fly back and forth for his treatment.
Ay, ang hirap nun, ano?
Ang sakit sa bulsa, di ba?
What was your pathway to citizenship?
My husband is an American.
Ay, ganun ba? Oh, I
Citizen
didn't
siya.
know that.
American citizen siya. He's a
Filipino-American ba siya?
Filipino-American.
I see.
Yeah.
Where did you meet?
Philippines.
How? Tell me your love story naman.
He was in Itbulaga. I mean, like for a summer. Tapos they got him to design because he's an artist.
I see.
And that's where we met. And then he never left na.
Oh, that's so sweet. Okay, tell us about Itbulaga because, you were a mainstay for like over 20 years.
Yeah, 30 plus.
30 plus pa, di ba? Parang everybody,
So 91 to 2021.
you're like associated with Itbulaga as
Yeah.
Tito Vic and Joey.
Oh yes, my mentors.
I know. Tapos bigla na lang, ay,
Bigla ako
nawala na si
nawala.
Ruby.
Kasi ano yan eh, like when I decided to, hindi naman to yung parang in a snap of a finger. It was planning. So I planned it. So 2018 pa lang when we were deciding already to move. All right? So 2019 came and then I said, on the 2018th I was planning, I said, I don't want to go to the US na wala akong trabaho. So kung may trabaho ka agad. So I said, kailangan yung hindi mo na sabi ko, tapos naman ako ng college, can I work at the consulate? Sabi ko, dahil naman ako. So I asked Tito Sen how to apply. So he told me, this is where you apply. So I applied and then sent everything, do the exams, interviews, lahat. And then I passed. So they got me, 2019. They know the real reason I'm,
I see,
moving,
I see.
okay? Tapusin ko lang po yung school ni AJ kasi magtatapos na siya ng March, April. Sabi niya, okay. And then, COVID.
So, how did that affect your plans?
All on hold. Kasi I was
How?
like supposed to move out na talaga kaagad, you know.
Yeah.
So we can start AJ's treatment and then his schooling, everything.
Oo.
Wala. So anong naging unproductive ka for a while, di ba?
Oo nga. Anyway, how's life here so far?
At first, it was like, parang, ooh, I'm all alone. Yung parang ganyan, nasanay ka kasi. But then, it's fun because I have a lot of friends. All my family's here. Like I said, I travel back and forth. So sanay. And then it's like you're very, very independent dito. Ang nakakapanibago is like, hindi ako marunong magluto, so kailangan matuto ka. Although, buti lang.
Natuto ka ba?
Hindi. Asawa ko magaling magluto.
Okay.
So, okay lang.
Ito
Ako,
compliment.
akin ang grocery and all. Ang hatest ko is the laba and tupi. Kasi nga, pag naglaba ka, yuko ng yuko, ang sakit sa likod. So, nag-deal kami ng daughter ko. Aba mautak. Sabi niya, Mommy, I'll wash your clothes. Kasi ginagawa namin, me and my daughter sabay, my husband and my son sabay, para boys. Kasi iba yung amoy ng damit na lalaki, di ba?
That's true, that's true. Good idea.
So, sabay kami ng daughter ko. Pero mautak yung daughter ko. She'll use my app. Yung app ko dun sa laundry.
Oh, may apa ba yun?
Oo, ngayon, yung amin meron.
May ganon?
The app.
Para i-time or
No.
whatever?
Yung bayad mo and all, naka-app.
I see. Okay. Oh,
So, naka-app siya. Ginagamit niya, pera ko, pero siya maglalaba. Para siya maglaba, pera ko.
So, wala siyang gastos.
Wala siyang gastos. Tapos, hindi man lang kasama ang tupe, ako pa rin na magtutupe. I will not fold it for you. Ganun siya. Ako na nga nagbayad, di ko pa nagtupe. Pero, di ba?
Parang part-time labandera.
Siya. Sa kanya yun. Sa kanya
Lugi
yun.
ka, lugi ka.
Tapos, ang linisan ng bahay is like, she cleans her own room. I clean my room and with AJ and everybody. And then, outside, tulungan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Were you prepared for this or was there sacrifice
You know-
on your part considering that you had to give up a very lucrative showbiz career?
That's the sacrifice that you have to give, which is more important. Your family or money? To me, it's family. I mean, I was able to had a good run in the Philippines. So sabi ko, I don't want to leave the Philippines na I'm down and out. You're a nobody. Yung at least umalis ako ng Pilipinas, kilala pa ako. Kaya nung umalis ako, nakakatuwa na parang nasa na siya, where is she? And people are asking like, balik kang Bulaga, where are you? Or like, nasan ka na? And then they were all shocked that I moved here. Parang why? Ayun.
Pero hindi ka naman malalao siguro doon. Galing-galing mo eh.
Hindi naman.
Oo.
Thank
I
you.
mean, you know.
Pero it's syempre, parating meron at merong bata yan. Pwedeng hindi ka malaos, pero tatanda ka. You know, and
Tatanda ka rin dito.
yeah, your spirit may be willing, but your body's weak.
That's true.
So, like, since tatanda ako dito, that's why I went on a private work. Yung, kumbaga, out of the limelight.
Yeah.
Kasi yon pag out of the limelight, kahit ugod-ugod ka, ano ngayon, di ba? It just so happened na hindi talaga matanggal sa dugo ko. So, here I am.
Once an actor, always
Ways an actor.
Yeah.
So, dati, meron tayong tatag sa Philippines, you have your main job, you're an actress and everything. Tapos may mga racket ka, di ba? Yung mga hosting dito, hosting dyan. Ngayon, baliktad. I have my main job, which I'm so proud of because I work at the Philippine Consulate of LA. And then, showbiz yung aking racket.
Nilaraket na lang ang showbiz.
Char, can you ask more if I can shorten my line too? Like, no. It's like more of a, I'm nice. Instead of I'm being nice now.
You just want to take.
Yeah, just like, so that it'll be faster.
I'll get that confirmation for you.
All right.
Any more?
Right? Because they want to make us walk so fast.
Anong mga namimiss mo sa Pilipinas?
Okay, bukod sa...
Nawala rito.
Nawala rito?
Oh.
Kasi yung food hindi, marami dito.
Oo.
Okay, marami dito. Like, there are a lot of Filipino restaurants here at saka groceries, no? So, pwede mong bilhin lahat doon.
Yeah.
Yung namimiss mong mga chichirya, nando doon lahat. Tawang-tawa nga sila kasi, like, here on the set, ang dala kong, nagdababaon ako ng snacks na Filipino snacks. Ito man ako magdadala
Ano
ng
yun?
imported.
Like what?
Okay. Pilipit, Singaling, Hakubina, yun yung mga dala-dala ko dito, okay?
Uy, Hakubina.
Oo.
Pwede.
Pero, alam, nakakatuwa is like, gagamitin ko siya sa scene. So lahat sila, taste it's really good. What is it called? Shingaling. So let's like, what? Shingaling? So mamaya, oh my God, it's so good. Humihingi, kakainin na nila. You know, it's so nice because they love our
Yeah.
snacks, pati yung Pilipit, yung Jacobina, yung kasama namin dito na si Pablo Azar. He's a famous Telemundo star, Mexican
Oh,
siya.
really?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's famous in Telemundo. Sabi niya sa akin, oh, my wife loved the Jacobina kasi binigyan ko siya. Tapos inuwi niya. Sabi niya, I wanna know where you got it. Tapos sabi ko, I still have it at home. In the next shoot, I'll bring it for you. So binigay ko sa kanya, tuwan-tuwa talaga siya. Sabi niya, you still have some. I'll be your pusher, just wait. Gaganin ko na lang. So yun ang mga dinadala ko. Pero ang
napopromote mo pa tayo, napopromote mo pa ang
Oo,
Philippine product. So,
pero ang pinaka nami-miss ko talagang wala talaga dito ay yung mga angels ko. Yung mga kasambahay ko. Mimiss ko sila. Kasi syempre, nasanay ka na pagising mo sa umaga, may pagkain ka na, may kape ka na. Pagdating mo sa bahay, hubarin mo lang yung damit mo, sila na maglalaba. Aayusin nila
no?
lahat. As linisin yung bahay. I mean, you know, yan ang talagang nakakamiss.
Yeah.
Kahit na sinong Filipino, tanungin mo dito, yun ang... Pati yung mga born and raised na mga Phil-Ams dito, pag umuwi ng Pilipinas at nakita nila yun, can we bring them back? Parang ganun.
Okay, let's talk naman about your showbiz career here. Okay. Anong diferensya ng industriya dito
Oh, they're
ng
very
showbiz
strict.
tsaka sa Pilipinas?
Okay.
Kwento mo yun.
Dito talaga, they're very strict with the time. Kasi meron talagang union dito ang mga artista, di ba? And like we were discussing, kunyari you wanna get casted, hindi porkit na alam mong may casting, mag-audition ka na, hindi pwede.
Hindi ka pwede mag-volunteer.
No, you cannot.
Di ba pipila ka?
And then, dito, meron silang tinatawag na site, it's called the Actors Access. I-upload mo dun yung headshots mo, yung headshots ang
ibig
tawag,
sabihin,
yung picture mo,
close up, mga
yung mga
ganun-ganun
nakikita
mukha,
mong
oo.
ganyan, okay? Tapos yung resume mo, tapos mag-upload ka doon ng mga reels mo, yung mga ginawa mo, ganyan, na at least pinapakitang may ginagawa ka. And then, you put your agent there, then if you're interested, they go through your agent. Hindi ka
Saan
basta...
kinukuha yung agent?
Well, marami ditong
Marami yan.
agent.
So,
Yung kung may kakilala ka, papakilala ka, ganyan.
Oo.
Yung iba,
So, may bayad
lalapitan ka. Siyempre, may cut din sila. Agent sila eh.
pag may trabaho,
Pag may trabaho.
ilang percent yan? Mga ganyan,
Depende
usually.
sa usapan nyo.
Pero talagang ganon ang laki.
Ganon talaga.
Kalakaran,
You
no?
cannot.
So, what about the things that you don't miss in showbiz and in the culture in general?
Intrigues.
Siyempre naman,
I mean, you know,
malala ba yun?
sa showbiz, although wala naman ako masyado. It's just that, you know, yung nakakatawa lang is like, you've been quiet and then your friends would walk up to you, Ruby, ano to? Yung Tito Sen issue and all those that. Na parang, bakit ako? And they said, ikaw daw magsalita. Sabi ko, paano ako magsasalita? Nasa Amerika.
Napanood ko yun. 3 YouTube nga yun, nasunod-sunod.
Na sinasabi lang,
ang dami mo raw reklamo. Pero sabi ko nga, alam mo naman ako, reporter. So pinanood ko, sabi ko,
How true is that?
wala namang sinabi.
Exactly.
Parang ulit-ulit lang na binunyag na niya. Pero
Nasaan ang
ending,
binunyag ko?
walang binunyag.
Exactly, di ba? Tapos, kasi nga it all started with one of our kasama nun sa Bulaga. And then, since kami yung mga wala, nandito kami, so yung pangalan namin ng mga ginagamit. And then, nung una, pinagtatawanan ko lang. Of course, I'm in contact with sila Tito Sen. We still, text each
You
other.
parted well.
No, we still text each other up to
Ayan,
now.
so friends pa rin
We're
kayo.
still friends. When Tito Sen was here in the LA, nagkita kami.
So hindi totoo yung ang dami mong tinatago na hidden secret.
Colleen
Alam
is
mo
still
yun?
my best friend. So we're really, really close. Kailan lang magkausap kami. I mean, we call each other. Siyempre, oy, Ruby, yung chismis, panuuri ba to? Bakit kakatawa? Saan? Ganyan. We still talk on the phone. We're very close. Till yung may lumabas na kesyo daw, may anak na sa akin si Tito Sen, and they used the picture of my son. Sabi ko nga, then I posted something on Facebook because it's running sa Facebook. Sa
terrible.
Facebook lumalabas, di ba? And I said, this is too much. Yung iba, pinagtawanan ko lang because it's not true. So, why will I put, hindi ko napapatulan yan. Pero yung gamitin mo yung gusto nyo gumawa ng kwento, yung totoo naman. Not at the sake of my son. Huwag nyo namang gamitin. Sandali lang. Ibang usapan
Not
na
fair
to.
at all. Not fair at all.
So I had to seek legal,
Yeah. But did you ever come to a point in Philippine showbiz in your career there na talagang ang tindi-tindi nung stress? Or was it Bulaga the family that it looked to us? Kasi that's how it looked to us eh.
So, wala naman ako
Genuine yun?
stress. Kung may stress man ako kasi pagod lang.
Yun lang eh, no?
No, it's a stress with the showbiz life
Yeah.
before. It's only the scheduling. Yun lang. Doon ka
Oo.
ba si stress kasi I have a daily noontime show and then sometimes you have shooting.
Yeah.
Yung maaga ka sa shoot, aalis ka kasi you have to do your Bulaga and then aalis ka, pupunta ka na naman sa shoot mo and then
Yeah.
yun lang.
Right.
That's it. That's your pagod. That's it.
So where were you
Eh, hindi
and what
naman-
were you thinking nung umalis ng GMA yung Itbulaga?
Because I was here already.
Yes.
Okay.
Lumipat sa TV5.
Andala, how will I say this?
Tsaka yung
No.
controversy sa tape.
Before I left,
Yeah.
we knew already something was brewing. Alam na namin, nakikita na namin eh. Andun pa ako. We were still hindi pa nag-lockdown.
Anong mga sintomas? Sintomas talaga.
Mga bagong tao, yung mga anak nung nandoon na sila. So parang meron na parang anong nangyayari dito? So syempre bulong-bulungan na yan, like bubulungan kayo. So nararamdaman mo na may nangyayari, and then I left, and then everything blew up out of proportion, wala na ako. Siyempre, alam ko yung nangyayari. Bakit? Siyempre, nag-uusap kami ni Pauline
Friends
araw-araw.
pa rin.
So, alam ko yung latest. Alam ko yung most inner secrets na hindi lumalabas sa press.
Yes, right.
And of course, it's not my story to tell. So,
Yeah.
alam ko lang.
Yeah.
So, when because of what everything happened nga, and then they transferred to Channel 5, so ko, natotoo na rin yung sinabi ni Joey na lahat ng channel iikutin.
Nagkatotoo, no?
Totoo.
Oo. Do you miss it?
I
wonder.
miss them.
Talaga? But
I
not
miss
the
them.
daily grind? Kasi parang enjoy ka ron eh.
Ang hirap sabihin na miss mo kasi tumigil ka nung nag-lockdown eh. Na-miss ko, but then my mind was psyched already that I'm leaving eh.
Sa bagay.
So when I left Bulaga, akala nila, andyan yung like mga haka-haka na tinanggal, umalis, may nakaaway, may naganyan-ganyan.
That's
Hindi
right.
ho totoo yun. Kasi like I said, yung pag-alis ko dito was a long time planning because I had to psych myself that I'm leaving. And then I talked, because our producer was Mr. Tavera, so I spoke to him January of 2019 and told him about it. Nagpaalam ako alam niya na aalis na ako. Nung una, bakit? Diba? And then I explained everything thoroughly. And then, that's when he understood that it's, I'm prioritizing my family.
Yeah.
And then, when I told him that I'm going to work for the consulate na natanggap na ako, he was so proud.
Talaga.
Kasi syempre, that's the consulate. That's the Department of Foreign Affairs. Hindi ka pwedeng basta pumasok dyan kung ikaw ay walang laman ng utak. So, he was proud na parang, you got accepted. It means there's something in your head so hindi ka nakakahiya, di ba?
Teka muna, ano ba ginagawa mo kasi doon?
Actually, I can't really say exactly kasi nasa legal department ako.
Confidential?
Hindi naman, pero kasi
Classified ang mga
documents.
Oo. So, legal, ibig sabihin? Para kang paralegal dyan,
Hindi naman.
Oo.
Legal kasi we deal with the Constitution and everything, di ba? So,
okay.
we deal with the Filipino community, ganyan. And then, kasi lahat, sa consulate kasi we serve like the passport, di ba? We have the notarial services, we have the dual citizenship, the RA 9225, the report of births. So, lahat yon yung except passport, lahat yung tatlong yon is in the legal department. So, isa doon ang ginagawa ko.
Ang dami. O ano masabi mo naman sa Filipino community dito? Is it an easy posting? Alam mo, narinig ko na yan nung nagko-cover ako na ang pinakamahirap daw talaga Middle East, syempre.
Kasi hardship
mga
post ang
OF
tawag nila doon.
Yeah. Pero dito daw sa Amerika, ito daw yung ang sarap-sarap dito. How
They
true is
call
that?
the Middle East hardship post only because maraming knows, yung the do's and don'ts, maraming
Yeah.
don'ts
Yes.
ang Middle East.
Oh, stricto ng kultura eh.
Oo. So, kailangan mag-abide kayo doon. Hindi kayo
Oo.
pwede mag-holding hands. Hindi kayo pwede ganyan. Kailangan nakaabaya kayo. Hindi pwede ang short, ganyan.
Yeah.
So, syempre, pagdating mo dito sa Amerika, free country, hello!
Oo nga, very...
Kahit na anong suot mo, di ba? Wala silang pake. Pero syempre, when you work
Westernized
at the
tayo
consulate, you have to, dress up
Yeah.
decently. Pero kaya sinasabi lang, wow, sarap dito. And then, mas open-minded na syempre yung mga Filipino community dito. Yung ibang posts kasi, like, let's say the Middle East, no? They don't have like the dual citizenship. It's not allowed.
ganun ba?
No, not allowed. So,
Kasi parang OFW talaga yung contract
karamihan.
workers
So,
talaga yung nandun, eh.
ang matindi doon yung ATN, yung Assistance to Nationals. Kasi,
Yes. Ang lala.
yung mga problema,
I
yan.
know.
Kaya may
Yeah.
mga tinatawag na gano'n.
Oo, yung mga inaaping mga,
Oo. And
abused
there are some
workers,
countries na who does not allow dual citizenship. So, yung
Oo.
consulate nila doon or yung embassy nila, they don't provide that service because it's not allowed.
Okay. Okay, I'll have to ask you this. Of course, of late, I'm sure alam mo yung mga corruption scandals.
Oh, actually, you know what's so funny?
How do Filipinos like you, and especially you, because you work with a consulate, no?
Oh,
How do you
because
feel
I work-
about it?
because
I mean, you're government.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yeah, I work
And
for
yet,
that government.
You're also citizen. Dual,
Yeah.
but citizen.
Yeah.
How do you feel about this?
I feel sad. Okay? Kasi, like I said, I work with, my colleagues are all diplomats, di ba? So, they're very much into the politics in the Philippines.
Yes.
Because like, after their term here, they go back there.
Yes.
Unlike us, hindi.
Dito kayo.
Oo, kasi we're called the local hires. Anyway, yung pag naririnig ko talaga, ano na, Lian na damay na. So ako, inaalam ko na lang. Pero parang nakakasad. Kasi parang, shucks, ang yaman pala natin talaga. Tapos, iba lang ang nakikisaw-saw. And then, mayate siya? Siya? Ibig ganon, di
So
ba?
I'm sure naririnig mo rin yung mga chismis na naririnig namin to about the politicians na
Oh, yeah.
na nagnakaw, no? How does that make you feel as a Filipino?
Well, like I said, the word embarrassed is parang too strong. Because I'm not embarrassed to be a Filipino. I'm proud to be one. I'm more like sad, frustrated, disappointed is the word. I mean, we elected you, to serve the people and to help the people. Hindi para magpakasasa kayo sa paghihirap ng iba. Nakaka-disappoint lang. Kasi parang akala mo ang gagaling, akala mo ang babait, akala mo tumutulong, tapos, buhaya pala. Parang, oh my God, why? So it's very disappointing for a Filipino. Kasi, like, pagka, you mean you're corrupt ganito, maririnig mo sa iba.
Meron
Marami.
ba?
Meron.
I was going to ask you yung reputation.
Meron pa rin. Hindi naman ganon kadalas. Okay? Pero meron at meron. Kasi,
Ano sinasabi?
I mean, let's just, masakit sabihin yung racism, pero meron pa rin dito. So,
And nagre-reflect ba? Pag
Oo.
alam nila nangyayari doon. Anong
pagka ganon, tapos, ang nakausap mo yung medyo,
galit sa Pinoy?
hindi, racist ng kaunti. Tapos nalamang Pinoy ka, the land of the corrupt, mga ganyan.
Oh, wow.
Tapos tatawa ka na lang, hindi mo alam paano mo sasagutin. Well, not everyone. Gaganyan ka, not everyone. Don't get it as a whole.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Oo. Taguyod mo pa rin. No?
Syempre.
Oo.
Kaya pagka, kunyari, naglalakad ka, dito, pagka pumasok ako sa grocery or kahit saan, Kasi usually they welcome you, right? Oh,
Yes,
welcome,
yes,
yan, we're welcome, blah, blah. Basta pag pumasok ako dito, parating, hola, ¿quieres? Lahat Spanish ang kakausapin ako. English please. Kaganon na lang ako. Nandun ka magbabayad ka sa grocery, no? Sa cashier. I-Espanyolin ka, sabihin mo na lang, English please. Oh, I'm sorry. English ka. Siguro kasi yung itsura mo,
Oo,
di ba?
mukha ka Latina eh.
So pag may nakausap ka dito, tapos say mo, no, I'm Filipino. No way. Yes, I am. I am Filipino. Proud ka na ipakita na. Kasi ang idea nga nila sa Filipino, maitim, maliit, sarap, ang ilong, ganyan.
Ay, ano ngayon?
Yun
Maganda
ang-
pa rin ako.
Di ba?
Sarat, maitim,
Hindi
mali.
naman. Pero yung tingin nila nung iba kasi parang, hindi kayong, yung stereotype
Yeah.
ng Pilipino, di ba?
Yeah.
Yung dark skin.
Right.
Kanya ang
Yeah.
tawag na, they call it brown.
Oo.
Tapos ikaw hindi, parang, huh? Ganun
Oo,
sila.
ikaw nagbe-blend in ka dito eh.
Lalo na yung balakang ko, super blend.
Kaloka. Okay, eto na lang. As sabi nga natin, dahil maraming disappointed sa Pilipinas, maraming galit, disgruntled. And in fact, halos lahat ng mga kabataan ngayon ayaw nang mamuhay doon.
Yung mga, I saw the rallies. Nakikita ko yung
Yes,
news, ano?
yes.
Yung mga Gen Z, parang, wow, they're speaking up.
Anong sasabihin mo sa mga yon?
They have the right to do that.
Wala nang matitira sa bansa.
No, they have the right to do that, to speak up.
Yes, definitely.
Ngayon,
But
kung
they're
aalis sila
wanting,
lahat,
oo.
paano nyo mababago? Ang matitira doon, yung mga yung pa rin. Kailangan may brave sa inyo na lumaban in the sense na paano kayo lalaban kung puro putak lang kayo, get into it and change the system.
Max. O, ba't ikaw umuwi? Change, help change.
Kasama na ako sa matanda eh. Hindi na ako Gen Z. I mean, you know, we have to give it to the youth, 'di ba? Sabi nga ni Rizal,
Pass
'di
the
ba, ang
baton. Kabataan,
Taan.
ang pag-asa.
ng bayan.
Correct. Pero retiring, what about that? Have
What
you
mean
thought of
retire?
that?
Oh, no, when I retire, gusto
In
ko
the
pa rin umuwi.
Philippines? Doon pa rin?
Oo.
Okay, bakit?
Bakit? Well, hello. Pagka ugod-ugod na ako, mahirap na maglaba.
Kailangan mo na talaga si Yaya.
Kailangan ko na talaga ng kailangan ko na ng
Angels
katulong.
mo.
Kailangan ko na ng mga angels. Hindi ko nakakayanin.
So you do want to go back?
Oh yeah.
For that,
I
no?
still want to go back.
So there's hope for you, for the Philippines.
For
Sa
me
tingin
there?
mo,
Oh yeah.
Sa tingin mo, may pag-asa naman na makaahon.
I mean, that's the only thing we have is hope. If you lose that, wala na talaga. You have to have faith, you know, that something will happen, something good will happen, and you know, kahit na ano pang relihiyon ang meron ka, idasal mo. Hingin mo yung tulong para sa bansa. I mean, yeah, pero sabi nga, di ba, I can help you, but you have to help yourself too. So, katulad yan yung mga kabataan na nagsispeak up na and all, we need you. We need you to fight them. You know, and then, kaming mga nandito, the only thing we can do is pray and hope for the best for everyone.
Amen. Thank you. Can you tell us about this TV series
Okay,
that
this
you're
series
now filming?
we're filming is called Nurse the Dead. Okay, it's about the struggles and the problems of nurses here in the United States. So, maraming mga Filipino dito na nurses, so they can relate. You know, that's why dito ang lead is the Filipino-American na nurse. You know, kasi mga nurse, yung mga trabaho, paghihirap, ano yung dinadaanan. Pag Filipino nurse, they're the best talaga. Because they really care. You know, they treat you like family. And once they treat you like family, that's it. They'll take care of you. This is going to be shown in I Want TV,
Okay,
for
abangan
sure.
nyo yan, abangan nyo
Sa I
yan.
Want TV, sigurado siya. And kaya, magugulat kayo dito. Huwag niyo pong sabihin, nag-aarte ako dito na may accent yung English ko. Pero kasi kailangan po.
Oo.
So, pag nagtagalog ako, Tagalog
So,
talaga.
worsh ka dito.
Ng kaunti. Tsaka yung character ko dito, kailangan ganon.
Oo,
Pero pag
syempre naman.
pero pag nagtagalog ako, talagang matinding Tagalog. Kasi ang lalim na Tagalog. Kahit nga Ilocano kaya ko. So, ang plano ko nga is to insert dialect here.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, because
Go for it.
you know, alam natin yan, marami dito, may mga Bisaya, Ilocano, Kapampangan, yan.
Yes.
'Di ba?
Yes, okay. Thank you again. Thank you for watching. If you like what you just saw, please like and subscribe.